10 plants to grow for a boost of positive energy. Peace lily is known for its graceful white blooms and its incredible air-purifying abilities. It can filter out harmful toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, making it a perfect addition to areas with poor ventilation. True to its name, the peace lily symbolizes tranquility and can help create an atmosphere free of conflict and tension, making it an ideal choice for any living room or workplace. Plus, they're low maintenance, thriving in indirect light and requiring only occasional watering. Lucky bamboo attracts positive energy by balancing the elements of water, wood, and earth, which is key in feng shui. The plant's straight, upward growth signifies resilience and vitality, which can help to cultivate a calm and positive atmosphere. It's believed to improve the energy flow in a space, making it more harmonious and conducive to success. Having a lucky bamboo plant in your home or office can encourage prosperity, attract good fortune, and foster an overall sense of balance and well-being. The jade plant, also known as the money tree, is a succulent believed to bring prosperity and good fortune. Its round, coin-like leaves symbolize wealth and abundance. In feng shui, it's often placed in the southeast corner to attract financial success. The plant's sturdy growth represents stability and resilience, helping to create a calm, balanced atmosphere. Easy to care for, the jade plant thrives in bright, indirect light and is a great way to invite positive energy and prosperity into your space. Lavender is a fragrant herb known for its calming and soothing properties. Believed to attract positive energy, it's often used to promote peace, relaxation, and emotional balance. Lavender's sweet scent is said to reduce stress and anxiety, creating a serene and harmonious atmosphere. In feng shui, it's often placed in living spaces to invite tranquility and emotional healing. Lavender also purifies the air, helping to clear out negative energy and bring a fresh, uplifting vibe to any room. Aloe vera is a versatile plant known for its healing properties and positive energy. Often referred to as the plant of immortality, it's believed to bring protection and good fortune to its surroundings. Aloe vera is also known for its air-purifying abilities, removing toxins and promoting a fresh, clean atmosphere. In feng shui, it's thought to ward off negative energy and create a calm, peaceful space. The plant's soothing nature and ability to heal both physically and energetically make it a perfect addition to any home or office, fostering a sense of well-being and harmony. The snake plant is a hardy, low-maintenance plant that is believed to attract positive energy and protection. It's known for its air-purifying qualities, as it absorbs toxins and releases oxygen, improving air quality and creating a healthier environment. In feng shui, the snake plant is thought to shield the home or office from negative energy and promote a sense of security. Its upright, sword-like leaves symbolize strength and resilience, helping to bring stability and balance to any space. This plant is perfect for creating a calm and protective atmosphere in your home or workspace. Orchids symbolize love, beauty, and strength. Known for their delicate flowers, they're believed to attract positive energy, improve relationships, and foster harmony. In feng shui, orchids are used to invite good fortune and promote spiritual growth. Their calming presence reduces stress and encourages creativity, making them perfect for creating a peaceful, inspiring atmosphere in any space. Basil is not only a fragrant herb, but also believed to attract positive energy, love, and good fortune. In many cultures, it's seen as a symbol of purity and protection. Basil's fresh aroma is said to cleanse the air and purify the environment, helping to dispel negative energy. In feng shui, it's often placed in the home to promote harmony and attract prosperity. Its vibrant green leaves add both beauty and a sense of vitality to any space, making it a great plant to cultivate for positive, uplifting energy. Rosemary is a fragrant herb known for its uplifting aroma and ability to attract positive energy. It's believed to promote mental clarity, focus, and emotional healing. In many cultures, rosemary is used to cleanse spaces of negative energy and promote a sense of renewal. In feng shui, it's often placed in the home to invite good health, protection, and good fortune. Rosemary's refreshing scent also creates a calming atmosphere, making it an ideal plant for promoting peace and balance in your environment. The rubber plant is a popular houseplant, known for its large, glossy leaves and ability to attract positive energy. It symbolizes abundance, wealth, and resilience, making it a great choice for creating a balanced and prosperous atmosphere. In feng shui, the rubber plant is believed to purify the air and enhance the flow of good energy in a space. Its sturdy presence brings a sense of stability and harmony, making it ideal for homes or offices seeking a calm, uplifting environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more positive energy tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite plant.